Want to know how to log into your Kakao Story account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Make sure to install your Kakao Story app just like me and then tap on this Kakao Story. You're onto the very first section of the Kakao Story app. Tap on login below. Just wait for the second section to get arrived. Now you can enter your Kakao mail ID, email, phone number and then your password and then tap on login below. Tap on Kakao mail ID, email, phone number on the top and enter your particular information. I had created my account with my email address, so I'm going to use my email address and then tap on password below and enter my password. You can do the same. When you're done, tap on login below. When you're done, tap on login below. Just by doing it, you can see that you have been logged in to your own Kakao Story account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.